Juremy displays metadata, useful for referencing the source document and to put the usage of the phrase in context. Select number identifies the document on EURLEX. Clicking on it brings you to the EURLEX bilingual view of the full document. Clicking the icon copies the EURLEX link for easy pasting.
You can customize the display using the side panel on the right. You can change the display language of the title, or you can switch off the title to save screen state and support easier scanning. Juremy also exposes experimental features like the eye guide. The eye guide tries to highlight the likely match in the target text. You can also turn off the side panels